All right, we just got the DEWALT oscillating multi-tool for the high school wood shop. We're going to open it up, test it out, see how it goes. I actually got this thing for cutting out CNC projects with tabs, but I'm sure we'll use it for a lot of different projects. This is the DCS 356 D1. Let's open it up, see what we got. I think the patent expired on these tools, and that's why everybody's making them now. Oh, it's nice. They back in the whole package there. See what the tool looks like. Comes with the charger, cutting kit. Actually, that looks nice. That's actually pretty identifiable. There's the tool itself. Beautiful. So this is a 2 amp hour battery. Very nice. All right, let's fire that thing up, see what happens. All right, here's the accessory kit. We got that triangular sander. Go ahead and throw that thing on there. These are the quick release. How does that feel? Put a piece of sandpaper on there and see if it takes down some of that 5 o'clock shadow. In a wood shop, I guess we could find a piece of wood. Pretty coarse paper.
It is really coarse, yeah.
Uh-oh. Shipped with a pretty low battery. So here's a cutter. It has 2 blades in there. Let's take a look at those teeth. That looks like a combination blade. Wood metal. I think that'll just quick snap in. Give that thing a try. That'll work on that plywood, won't it?
Yeah.
Safety first. One of the reasons we got that oscillating tool is to cut CNC parts out that weren't cut all the way or had tabs. Don't damage your part. All right, we've had this thing for a little while now. Actually works out to be a really nice tool. We primarily got it for when we're cutting parts out on our CNC router, and we use tabs to hold them down to finish cutting the tabs with the oscillating tool. But we've actually found a ton of other uses for it in addition to the CNC, just finishing little cuts, a little bit of construction in one of the back rooms. Overall, I really like this thing a lot. Works great. Probably needs a little bit bigger battery than the 2 amp hour battery, but I give it a great review. I like it a lot.